dear, I've got the itch. Here standing in this ditch, my gaze upon the other side, I can see it's greener and more alive. So I take my first stride and I'm blindsided. And now I'm sliding, my eyes are widening, and I'm on my way.
Okay.
Good. I
Not
don't
bad.
mind the ending falling apart, actually.
Me too, I like it.
I like
And
when
you can
endings fall apart.
You can cut and paste it, right? Whatever you do.
No, this is live, baby.
Dude, that's the thing. Like, we have to get one good take.
No.
Everyone's doing what they should be doing. Sort of.